Hello traders. Welcome to my channel, AM Trading Tips. In this video I am going to be sharing one of the best indicator I like to trade with, very much beginner friendly with massive accuracy, when it come to entry and exit and take profits with stop loss. This indicator is a divergence and price action indicator that was created using divergence and price action methodologies. This is a Forex indicator that provides massive accuracy in Forex trading. It can be used for both long and short trades. This method gives you a specific stop loss as well as 3 levels of take profits. This Forex indicator strategies made for better understanding trends and price action, draw auto support and resistance on a live chat. This is a non-repainting indicator. Now let's look trading rules of this indicator. But before that, be sure to don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and enable all notifications, so that you don't miss on any of our new videos. We request you to watch the complete video so that you can get to know better how to trade with this indicator. So let's start now. Wait for the buy-sell arrow to show up and down. After doing technical analysis of the trend and price action, the trading system generates a buy-sell signal with specific market entry and stop-loss levels, as well as target, take-profit levels. But before taking buy-sell trade entry, definitely keep in mind the SNR level. Avoid taking buy trades near resistance levels and sell trades near support levels. After taking a buy-sell trade entry, always make a take-profit 1 level entry first and not the indicator as shown, so make a direct take-profit 3 level entry. But before taking buy-sell trade entry, definitely keep in mind the SNR level. Avoid taking buy trades near resistance levels and sell trades near support levels. After taking a buy-sell trade entry, always make a take-profit 1 level entry first and not the indicator as shown, so make a direct take-profit 3 level entry. I hope you must have understood this trading rules. If not, then it doesn't matter, we are going to see examples of some live trade, so that you will definitely understand. We recommend that you only trade with 0 or ECN brokers. Today I would like to introduce a huge broker with the greatest tools which I would love to prefer. XM is international broker working more than 190 country with over 5 million active traders. On this platform you can deposit and withdraw money from your local payment system. Forex, crypto CFDs and more trading options are available on this trading platform. You can start trading on this platform by making a minimum deposit of $5. The registration link given in the description box. Here is perfect buy trade setup as per our recommendations. So let's take buy trade here and put stop loss as per given indicator system and place first take profit level because this is resistance level. Free download indicator, link given below video description. Here is winning trade. Well guys, that's enough for today and I hope that this indicator will be useful for you. And that this video will help you to earn more. In return, I just ask you to like the video for 2 seconds and subscribe to the channel. It really only takes 2 clicks, but it means a lot to me and you can also watch my other videos. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video and I wish you a good luck, goodbye and happy trading.